everyone, this is Thanatos and welcome to my channel. This video is gonna be an unboxing and review of colored contact lenses. I was asked by POLLYEYE to showcase some of their products. POLLYEYE is a company offering different kinds of high quality contact lenses. The products arrived in this box, which was sadly damaged a little during the shipping. The 4 pairs of lenses came with a little handbook about lens care and some more small gifts. The box also included 4 travel cases for contact lenses. Each of them has a super cute design. The packaging of each pair of contacts is the same, showcasing the POLLYEYE brand on the front. The first pair of lenses that I chose is called Mercury Grey. The name of the lenses is always written on the sticker that was put on the side to seal the packaging. They have a diameter of 14.2 and can be used over a period of 12 months. This is how the lenses look on my green eyes. They are very natural and give my eyes a cool look. Here you can see my natural eye color compared to the lenses. The next pair I want to show you is called Galaxy Pink Purple. They have a diameter of 14.2 and can be worn for 12 months. This pair of lenses is kept very soft, not really changing the eye color, but giving it more of a pinkish sparkling touch. All POLLYEYE lenses are created with an anti-blue light lens technology. This reduces eye fatigue, dryness, and headaches and helps the wearer to better focus all day long. The next lenses are called Anti-Blue Ray Choco. They have a diameter of 14 mm and the period of use is 12 months. I really like this pair as the brown looks really strong and has a natural enlarging effect on the eye. The last pair is called Planet Earth Green. They have a diameter of 14.2 and can be used for 12 months. They are supposed to be light green. On my eyes they are very bright with a golden touch. All these lenses are perfect for casual, fashion, and costly looks. Alright, this is all products for today. You can use my code Thanatos for 12% discount on the POLLYEYE website. The wig that I'm wearing is from Anibio's store and you can use my code Thanatos for 15% discount. For more more content, mainly cosplay, you can check out my Instagram at ThanatosArtsOfficial. I'll put all codes and links in the description below. I'm really curious what you think about the products. Which pair is your favorite? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!